Hi everyone, my name is Joe, and in this 3-minute tutorial, we'll cover the leads element in the Granot Moving System. We'll explore the role of leads, how to validate leads information, and how to convert leads into an estimate. Let's start by looking at the main dashboard. On the top left corner, you'll find the leads widget. Each widget displays the last 5 relevant results. To view the complete list, simply click View All. Now, we're in the leads list view, where you can see key leads details and their statuses. Before diving into the full lead information, also known as lead main, let's understand the purpose of a lead in the Granot Moving System. In the Granot Moving System, the lead element serves as the raw data received from the provider. It's where you can review the information submitted by the provider and determine whether the lead is valid or contains bogus details. This area is not meant for full client communication, but it does send an automated welcome email and helps with initial validation. Returning to the list, clicking on the order number will take you to the lead main screen. This is the lead main view. Here you can modify or update basic lead details such as name, phone, service type, representative assignment, and more, before proceeding to create an estimate. If you scroll down to the source section, you'll find the original post variables, which show the raw data submitted by the provider. At the top right corner, you'll notice an I button. Clicking it allows you to view or edit consumer details, such as their name, email, and phone number. When you're done, close this window and return to the main page. Once the lead information is validated, you have 3 options. Mark the lead as bogus. Begin creating an estimate. Assign the lead to another representative for follow-up. 1. Marking a lead as bogus. If the lead contains invalid or irrelevant information, switch the bad lead toggle to yes. Select the appropriate reason from the workflow dropdown. Add a remark or note for further context. Close the lead, assigning the lead to another representative. If you wish to reassign the lead, select a representative from the representative dropdown. The lead will then appear in their lead widget. Optionally, you can create a task for them and monitor its progress. 3. Starting the estimation process. If you're ready to start estimating, after validating the information, click on the Create Estimate button. At this point, the lead process concludes and the estimation process begins. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next video, we'll cover the estimating process. Have a great day and see you next time.